Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to find minimum values from the data. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily calculate or find minimum values from the data. So firstly, select the cells where you want to find minimum values. So after that, write here is equal and then write min. So when you will write min, you can see the formula of min. So then click on it and then press tab button. So after that, select the range. So after selecting the range of values, then close your bracket. So after that, press enter button. So you can see the values is calculated. So this values is minimum values from the all values. So it is the first method. So second method is that again select the cell where you want to find minimum values. So after that you can see home option. So click on it and here you can see some options. So in some options you can see drop down arrow options. So click on it and here you can see min option. So click on it and then again select the range of values. So after selecting the values, just press enter button. So you can see the minimum values is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate minimum values from all values. So if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find most important and useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.